Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I really didn't have anywhere to take you guys today, so we're not really doing like a vlog type of situation. I did want to address a common question that we get all the time. And people will say, well, how is she nonverbal? Because she's sort of saying stuff, but they're not words. It's more like sounds or a sing-songy thing that kind of just comes from her voice, and that's one of the ways that she communicates. Always, want to know, what's that about? Is it stimming? Is it a way of talking? Is it scripting? That's a really good question because it's kind of all of those things. If you are new here and you haven't seen some videos before, we'd love to have you subscribe, and also we're going to show you some examples right now. We're just going to get into it quickly so you can kind of see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about autistic or autism vocalizations. I'm going to put the clips of her vocalization and progression in chronological order as much as possible so you can see the progression from ages 2 to 4. Disclaimer, this is literally just our experience with Leah. This is just how it is for Leah. So if this is not how it is for your child or not how it is for yourself, totally fine. There isn't like a normal or like it's not supposed to be any certain way. So this is just life over here and what it sounds like. Did we want to play with the piano? Hey, Leah. 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 Hey, hey, hey. Little feet. Did you get Play-Doh? Yeah. That's so exciting. Say bye. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a better idea of what vocalizations and vocal stimming in autism can look like. It also clears up that nonverbal does not mean silent. As you can see, she's a very noisy human. Maybe it doesn't look like that for your child, but this is how it looks for us. We'd love for you to subscribe. We'd love to have you here, hang out with us, learn from each other. If you have any experiences that you want to share with me, that would also be great. You can leave that in the comments, and we'll chat soon.